In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve the issue that when you receive a form prompt during the use of QuickBooks, how we can get rid of that. So let's get started. So in the middle of working, you might get this message, and let's see how we can respond to it. You can select anything like you're the admin who owns or manages the company file. Proceed. You can mention any email, click proceed. And if this asks you for the Intuit account, do you have one? Set to sign in later. So it says that Intuit account setup for Xanted is pending. So we will remind you again, click OK. And our company files are still working. So nothing to worry about. This is how we can resolve this.